Hello. Hello. So let's continue our discussion on our topic. So today we'll be discussing topic like influence of decision making on resource utilization, and let's talk about exogenous factors affecting a business organization. So exogenous factors, as we said it, affecting business organization are external elements outside the business control that can significantly influence its operations and performance. So we have the political factors, government policies, regulations, and political stability affect business operation. So the organization. Example, sudden change in trade policy like Brexit force UK-based business to adapt to new tariff and custom procedures. So application business may need to revise their supply chain strategy or relocate operation to remain competitive. So these are they cannot control it, but they have to align themselves. We have the economic factors like inflation, interest rates, exchange rates directly impact costs, pricing, and international competitiveness. Example, during high inflation in Argentina, local and foreign businesses struggle with pricing consistency and cost control. So that's a report. Application business hedge against currency risk or just pricing model in inflationary economies. So hedge means they have to play so that they can sustain their operations. So social cultural factors like cultural trends. So among people in the world, organization, consumer behavior, the buying pattern, and demographics influence like other people, no? Groupings of people, product demand and marketing strategies. So when competitor change, so they will change as well. Example, global fast food brand like McDonald's adapt menus to local cultural preferences. Example, offering packations options in India. So that's an example. Okay? So this application companies localize marketing and product development to meet regional cultural expectation. The technology, so for example, advancement in technology can disrupt industries because they can do it differently. Yeah, example, order processing is done by online. Delivery, the logistics is done very fast. Offer fast growth opportunities. Example, the rise of AI and automation has transformed logistics and customer service operation. Businesses invest in R&D and digital transformation to remain competitive. So the legal and regulatory factors, laws on labor, health and safety, data protection and environment, impose compliance requirements. Example, European Union on GDPR, effective how global business handle customer data. Example, application. Business invest in compliance departments and legal audits to avoid penalties. Environmental. So climate change, sustainability concern, and resource scarcity, impact operations and stakeholder expectation. Climate change, companies pressure to adjust their operation to become leaner and more safety. Therefore, they're going to spend or they will not operate. Example, Coca-Cola has faced criticism in water scarce region in India. So what Coca-Cola did is to do a social responsibility. Asian companies develop sustainability initiative such as carbon footprint reduction and eco-friendly packaging. So they changed their product packaging. So this one will affect them. Okay. Think about improvements of decision making on resource utilization. So decision making in a business context refers to the process of selecting best courses of action among alternatives. Action is the expense and then marketing. So these decisions significantly impact how resources like time, money, labor materials use and conserve. Number one, decision making long-term resource commitment. So the influence is strategic decision determine how major resources, man-machine methods are committed over time, such as investment with new technologies, acquisition, or market expansion. Example, car manufacturers deciding to shift to electric vehicle production must reallocate financial and human resources toward battery technology and software development. So this long-term decision changes how capital and labor are utilized across the company. Application, resources planning, capital budgeting, workforce training, and program. We have tactical decision, influence, focus on medium-term choice made by department managers regarding how to best use their given resources. So the marketing manager deciding to invest more in digital campaign instead of print because it saves them online platform and reusability. I'm sorry. Department budgeting, campaign planning, supply chain adjustment. In operation, decision determine how daily tasks are carried out using available resources. So that affects resource efficiency and waste reduction. Example, the warehouse manager deciding to implement new layout for faster picking roads and save labor hours and improve decision delivery speed. Example in scheduling, task assignments, and process optimization. In poor decision making issues or waste resources, we know this already. Ineffective rush decision can result in poor resource utilization, including overstocking inventory, hiring unnecessary staff, on investing in unproductive assets. Example, retail chain ordering seasonal items without accurate sales forecasts may end up with excess unsold stock, wasting capital and storage space. So take note, wasting capital, unsold stock. So these are the bad results. Inventory management, demand forecasting, financial analysis. Okay, that's all for today's presentation. I hope it's something. I'll see you soon.